Tired of squinting at your Chrome Bookmarks bar and struggling to find the right link? Let's supercharge your Bookmarks bar, making it bigger and easier to use in just a few simple steps. First, let's adjust the Chrome zoom settings. This is the quickest and easiest method. Click the three dots in the top right-hand corner to open more options. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and click Settings in the Settings menu. Find the Appearance section. Here, you'll find the page zoom option. Click the drop-down and select a higher percentage, such as 110% or 125%. This will enlarge everything in Chrome, including your Bookmarks bar. Play with these settings to find the sweet spot for your vision. If you want even more control, consider using a Chrome extension to modify the font size and style of your Bookmarks bar. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension like Custom Font. Install an extension that allows you to change the font of the Bookmarks bar text, its style, or even its size. Some extensions have options to allow for a bolder font as well. These extensions usually add a button to your toolbar. Press the icon there and navigate the new pop-up window to change the settings to your preference. And that's it. With these simple adjustments, your Chrome Bookmarks bar is now bigger, bolder, and much easier to navigate. Be sure to experiment with the zoom levels and font options to find the settings that work best for you. Happy browsing!